Yes? Who is it?
Hey, Tita Rika, it's me, Rowana.
Come in, Rowana.
Hey, Tita.
How's school?
School was great. I actively participated in class. I easily make friends. And, by the way, what's that? Rona. Who is she?
Rona? Oh, Rona. She's very special to me. To your grandma, to your grandpa.
How come I didn't know her?
Because she's in a far, far place, like in a paradise.
Why is she so very special to you? To Daddy, Grandpa, as well as Grandma?
Rona, listen, I'll tell you a story.
It's so painful. I cannot bear it. I can see the head, Mom. Just one last push. Okay. Where's my baby? Congratulations, Mom. It's a baby girl. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be late. Rona! Hurry up! I'm going to leave you if you're still undressed. Yana, where's the food? I'm going to eat. I'm going to be late. My gosh, it's so messed up in here. Yaya, the phone is ringing. Could you please answer it? Where's my husband? Hello? Oh my gosh. Where's the flat iron? It's so messed up in here. Where are they, Yaya? Come on!
This is Mrs. Sancheros,
There's everything!
Rona's mother, a 34-year-old teacher. The problem with her is she had a feeling of insecurity because she is not a 4-year degree holder nor a board passer.
Where's our...